I know Bonnie's about you guys. So for today's video, we have one of our favorite selectors, at least mine, and that's Richie Feelings, true comedian. I don't know what Richie Feelings say when it come on to Amari. So this is what Richie Feelings has to say. So let's get on to the video. All right.
Dirty people, wanna wake up, cause they don't lock me away for come for life. I can't believe this in life. Yo, God no. Hey, you have Amari number? More if you have Amari number, do me I beg you no. Amari no go for go clash or fight, you go for go fight. Me Amari ball out. Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Amari, you saw me warn you and bed pan you everything. And look how you make Queenie come kill you. Yo, what do you song them, Amari? You have over 3,000 songs. And you don't give them no song all now. And make Queenie come lick your chip. Yo, God no. After you say you go bigger than Bob Marley and legendary, yo, me shame for you. Yo, God no. What me doing in life, you deserve this Jamaica. England, me just reach, you know. And I say, yeah, my artist are going to come go on good now. When me look, I say my artist run out in a one boot where she nearly drop. Yo, God no. Yo, Amari, do me a favor, let go them boot there, yeah? Them a pop your neck. Them a pop your neck, Amari. Me I tell you, them a pop your neck. Remember, you know, my bed pan here, you know. All spice me done fear, you know. Right now, Amari, you just talk right now. I pay talk, yeah. We don't believe nothing what you say. Now you tell me say you're going to be legendary and everybody will say, yes, you're going to be legendary. Right? And now the Queen reign. Can't remember England me there. I know say the Queen reign. Queen wave. Queen come for DJ and you come for Trace. Me don't know, yo, how you take advice from, man? You take advice from the whole world and not take advice. Me tell you, know. Amari have to go out there. Amari have to go out there and DJ. Amari not DJ slow while Queenie them know for ride with him. Because Queenie them have performed on a show a long time. Amari never performed on a show yet in her life. Amari first major show this. Remember, Amari first major show. I don't want to hear nobody fight her. I don't want to hear nobody boycott her. I don't want to hear none of them something there. Amari, you get your chance. And you go there a week for week. And them job Amari wig, yo, God no. Them job Amari wig and stress out Amari, yo, God no. Yo. What me doing in a life, me gonna like me Jamaica. What me doing in a life, me gonna like me. But that's why I know me a good youth. When you hear me a boots up Amari, remember me done Spice, you know, me see Spice and I come message me a dead laugh, you know. Me see her a dead laugh and me I say, what this, how I go on? Remember Amari doing her first show in her life, Amari never do a show yet. Right? Queenie wig come off, come like it's a wig clash. Who have the better wig? Come like it's a wig clash, cause me I say, wait. Oh God no. What me doing, me couldn't like me. Amari, I don't know where you going to recover from this. You can't say your mic did low. You can't say them sabotage you. You can't say none of that. Because we see for ourselves. Right? Because remember say Queenie them a real star, you know. Queenie them a real star. Queenie cock up her foot on the box. I'm say Amari try cock up her foot on the box and nearly drop. And me I say no, Amari no do it. Amari no do it. When I say Amari I go to my nearly drop. And yo God no. Queen Amari, you're gonna be legendary, but in another area, you're gonna be legendary. Cause me I tell you this, I you take the whole week. Next week I'm not talk about this still, but I was me that vote for you in Amari. Me that alright. Me never vote for you for win. Me just want you to go represent because of your first major show. Remember, you know, Queenie have hits, you know. And y'all know you know Japan have hits. Queenie! I'm glad me believe in you, Queenie. You don't know. I come like Brazil and Argentina. Argentina, them go through and win. Brazil lose. Me just say Brazil and then Argentina win. I'm just say Argentina too. Me have to switch regular. Amari, you know me switch, right? A Queenie, me say, Queenie! Queen wave! Queenie! I'm bad over Queenie. A Queenie me a cry for. Queenie, me love you. Everywhere me go, them just a ball out. Do it, do it, do it. One man, two good it. Everywhere me have a ball out for Queenie. Amari, right now, me don't know where I'm going to do for come back. Because Yagi will be a stunt all year. 3 years straight, Yagi will be a stunt. And your company stage show now, I'm not giving nothing at all. More. Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! That on a song? That on a song? Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! That on a song? A song that? Have a Queenie, a touch up her something and I go so and I go so and I go so. Eh? Queenie, Queenie! Ah, Queenie, we have wait for right now. Right now, Amari, you need a stylist. Cause Queenie come out feet and you don't come out feet. I remember if Queenie didn't want to fight, Queenie would have fight you. People, the whole Jamaica cuss me and say my fault and me boots up Amari. People, remember I love Amari, you know, but me have got tone down my love you now, cause Amari shouldn't do something like that to it. Not even one of Amari song she not sing. You say if Amari did sing one of her song, I would have say, yeah, me girl, going at Amari, 2023, legendary. But you can't do that. You can't do that. Remember Queenie them a real star. Queenie them know for deal with crowd. Remember when Queenie said, shame, a kill me. And Amari said, shut the fuck up, shut the fuck up. And that's so she go and said, Jesus Christ. And I saw, and this. Pash, why you never help Amari? Why you never help Amari, Pash? Yo, remember me if you wonder if a future from back, I perform on the stage one time I say, when I see Amari come on so, and I rocks a two side. I remember say the boot nearly drop her about 3 times. Amari can't walk on the boot. I don't know who give Amari them boot. I don't know who design Amari just. I don't know who, yo, God no. Amari, you let me down. Amari, you let down Jamaica. You embarrass me. I need for a link sizzler right now. You embarrass me, Amari. You embarrass me. Now you make me have to go run back a Spice now. And look how me done Spice for you. I have to go run back a Spice now. This not nice. I have to go run back a Spice. Spice, me I beg back your friendship. Come here say, yeah, me artist I go run the whole place now and me and I go up on tour and I don't want to see you back. Spice, me apologize for everything I say about you. And Amari are the queen. Spice, are you are the queen? Are you are the queen? Amari, you're done. Amari, do me a beg you. You make the whole Jamaica say, them want to kill me off. Spice, I love you, Spice. Spice, forgive me, Spice. I never mean it. I look a joke me that make. 2023, you are legendary. Them lit the legend. Them lit the legend. Drive the legend off a stage. When I say the legend, yo, God no. I say the legend wig. Because she a draw Queenie wig and Queenie draw back fair wig and her wig fly and I say Amari choke Queenie clothes in the crowd so one white something throw it in the crowd and I say them throw it back so like me I want never trophy throw go on. Yo God no, what me do people? Tell Spice to forgive me people. Shame and kill me. I say Amari take Queenie clothes and show so and Queenie take fair wig and dash so and I say Amari a shake and yo God no, me not deserve this. Me not deserve this Jamaica. Me not deserve this. So if you love me and honor me. Can remember, yo God no. Amari, you come with Nico. You have, what the next one name? Rise Dirty Bungle. You have one new one now where I go, Amari now repeat, yo, God no. You know. People. But that's what I'm going to know. I'm apologizing because it take a big man to apologize, right? It take a big man to apologize. And I'm a big man. Spice, I apologize to you. Because I thought that Amari was going to kick with your foot and lick your chip. But your crown is safe. No one took your crown, Spice. No one took your crown. Amari didn't do any justice. All of us was rooting for her. Right? And now she make the queen reign. Right now, Queenie, are you me say? Queenie, are you the queen? Queenie never be a butter bean or a tin of sardine. Me just make you know. Then, come remember, you know. I say, yeah, come remember when Amari say, I shall be legendary. I shall be bigger than Bob Marley. Amari, that Bob Marley something there. Remember say that task that you take on, you know. I don't want you come again, come tell me about 2024, you're going to be legendary, you know. I don't want to hear it, you know. Amari, I don't want to hear it. Right? And I bet you just continue with the little, what's something the name? A little show business where she have with her pitney them. Right? I bet you just continue with the little show something with her pitney them. Right? I don't want you come out. I don't want you call. I beg you do. No call Spice name again. Do. No call Spice name. Right? Do me I beg you Queenie. No call Spice. No Queenie. What's your name? Amari. No call Spice name. Leave Spice name alone. Leave Spice name alone. Me I beg you no do. Warn her until I say she don't have the right again. Cause remember you know. I done with Spice. I know me have a big friend back from Spice, you know. Me done with Spice, you know. I say anyway, me see Spice a fight, you know. Me and her have to go call up, you know, cause I one queen, you know. And a Amari, you know, legendary, you know. And now at this, me I go through, me I go walk, me I go come back to Jamaica. Me can't come back to Jamaica. Me have to make the school off. Me can't come back to Jamaica. Do, me can't come back. Me say, me laugh and me cry. Me cry and me bawl. Cause me I say, when me say Amari we come off, and then me say Amari nearly dropping at the boot, and me I say, why them would do that to Amari and give Amari the boot there? Why? That couldn't kill Queenie. Cause Queenie come out as one nurse, something queer, or Wonder Woman, or what kind of something she come out, but like she come out in a one something on the white and her makeup look good and everything, and me I look at Amari and me I say, Amari no saying I like way. Amari I'll me pick them, me can't face me pick them, and them everybody a laugh off of me. Everybody a laugh off of me. The whole world, me never see so much people at me in a something yet so in a life. Everybody a laugh off of me. Me shame. Me can't come back to Jamaica. Me can't come back to Jamaica. Me I tell you the truth. Me have to hide. Me have to hide. Amari. Right now, we are on an explanation for this. Pretty lax, I can't talk to you again. I can't talk to you again. I can't talk to you, pretty lax. I'm ashamed. I can't talk to you now. Right now, people in the beating when I get me, I have to take. I have to take the beating them. But one thing I have to beg you to tell Spice, forgive me, please. I just joke, me didn't make. Me never mean it. I know she are the queen. Right? I never mean it. And she are the queen. Look how me have a big friend from Spice. Yo, God, no, this not right. Queenie, remember me, you're good. Queenie, you know me, you're not a problem. You know me about it. You know me about it, Queenie. Me, you're good. Right? And you know, say, me tell you, say, you don't left do it. You love you do it. One man to you good in that I do it. Remember, you know me, you're good. Me have a big friend from everybody. Amari, we're the friend again. Amari, be people come salt her up. Yo, God, no. Amari start take advice from be people. I see that big international thing where everybody pay for $40 for seat, you know. You know what people? You know what people pay $40 for watch Amari and Queenie? And Amari, you let down Jamaica. You insult me. You insult me. Like how DJ Khaled insult Sizzla. You insult me. Yo, where's my Amari CD them there? Let dash them with car. I'm burn them up. Cause I not did this. Me nah deal this Jamaica. Me nah deal with this. Jesus Christ. People, I don't know. Yo, I'm saying I live in land of England good yet. Then if you come out of people in the airport for come go out with myself and roll and jump on the ground. Yo, me see Amari goes to Mama wiggle and nearly drop. Amari try cock up her foot on the box, have a Queenie cock up her foot on the box. But when Queenie cock up her foot on the box, she put her pum pum. Amari no do that, Amari nearly drop. And you know say Amari no come out without her wig. Yo, God no, all the wig business come like it a mash up. What Tyrone? Yo, God no. What me doing in a life, make roll out the hate me, man. Amari have life I go on. Alright, here what? Go over Amari life. Me I come over life and go hear what Amari has said. I have to hear what Amari has said. We are go over there.